How to fix Steam, please check your password and account name and try again. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. It's very simple to go ahead and do this. Firstly, what you want to do is right click the Steam icon in your taskbar whenever you have it open. And then what you want to do is select exit. And if you can't do that, then go ahead and type in Task Manager like so, then go to Details, navigate down over to S. And when you find S, you're going to see Steam. Right click it, and then what you want to do is end the process tree, and then all you want to do is press end process tree right here. Next thing you want to do is flush the system network. So what we're going to go ahead and do is go ahead and type in CMD and then run it as administrator like so. Then you're going to go ahead and type in the following things. So the first one is going to be ipconfig and then space / flush DNS. Once you do that, it's going to say it's flush the DNS server. Then we're going to do the next thing, which is going to be net sh winsock reset. Press enter again, and then you're going to restart your computer, and then that's it. It'll be good to go.